If you are in business for yourself like I am, and you want to focus more on the people you serve and less on organizing all of the administrative tasks that you undoubtedly have, ClinicSense will definitely help you be organized and also appear organized. It helps you look professional out there. I know my clients appreciate it and that I look good to them because of ClinicSense. But one of the things that I think is most unique about the company is their customer service. Whenever I've reached out to them with an issue, I've always had a thoughtful and quick response. I feel like having ClinicSense with my business, it's like having a business partner. It also is nice that there's a friendly voice on the other end. And when you work alone, that's incredibly valuable. For many reasons, I consider it money very well spent and worth checking out. If you try ClinicSense, I think you'll find that they have your back.